Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know say a one and only Atafa the Press. Well, a 59-year-old man has been charged with rape and sexual intercourse with a mentally disabled teen in Clarendon. He's been identified as Samuel Hunter, a carpenter of Blackwood district in the parish. Reports from the Maypen police are that on 2 different occasions, Hunter allegedly went into the teenager's room and sexually assaulted her. When I hear them something, my wisdom warriors? When I hear them something, 59-year-old big man this, 59-year-old man who turned 60, Gone in the pitney room, in the liquor pitney room, And not the first time he do it, at the second time. And who to tell? Maybe even more. Maybe even more. You understand? And he probably do all these things to other pitney. He probably do all these things to other pitney before my wisdom warriors, and we don't even know about it. Our children is not safe. Our children is really not safe, my wisdom warriors. Who to tell? Who to tell if this a man here? Who to tell if this a man never got prison before? Who to tell? You understand me? Jah know, God know. God know. I just don't get it. A disabled child, the pitney disabled, and the man go and take advantage of the disabled child. The man go and take advantage of the disabled child. What kind of heart that man have? What kind of heart that man have, my wisdom warriors? Samuel Hunter, what kind of heart you have, brother? Jesus, my wisdom warriors, tell me what you think about it. My wisdom warriors, take a look for me at the screen. Just take a look. Who is this? Who is this? Favor Williams. This is Favor Williams. You can't imagine. When me telling us the Labour right there, no shame. A real criminal, them in my wisdom warriors. Real criminal. These people. Jamaica Labour Party. A criminal them. Look what Favor Williams are do. Like seriously. Minister of Education and Youth Favor Williams greeted former Portfolio Minister Ruel Reid at the Jamaica Teachers Association 68th Annual Conference at the Ocean Coral Spring Hotel in Trelawney. Where Ruel Reid do this so? Where Ruel Reid do this so? You know, so I can't wait for Mark Golden win, because this a man I figure a prison, my wisdom warriors. This a man I should have in a prison, This a man should have in a prison, my wisdom warriors, for everything what him do, And this man I get too much $1 million, and I walk around, I walk around, my wisdom. You see, if I did me and Uno, it wouldn't be different. Seriously, it would be totally different. Former Education Minister Ruel Reid, along with former Caribbean Maritime University President Frix Pinnock and their 3 co-accused, learned on Friday that they will have a case to answer following the judicial review of their criminal charges. The full court panel of Justice Crescentia Brown Beckford, Justice Lisa Palmer Hamilton, and Justice Trisha Hutchinson Shelley a short while ago dismissed an application by lawyers representing the accused to have the case dismissed and upheld a ruling of Parish Judge Chester Crooks that they have a case to answer. The full court also instructed the parish court to set an early date for the trial based on the public interest in the matter. Reid, Pinnock, Reid's wife Sharon, their daughter Sharil, and Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Brownstown Division, Kim Brown Lawrence, are implicated in a multi-million-dollar fraud case. My wisdom warriors, you know hear all these things? So when me see all this money I turn up at the Teachers Association, come on, where you going? The sister, they not have no shame in their game, they not care. They steal and them just not care. Because you know why? Jamaican people allow it. We allow it. We not go out and demonstrate. We not go out and demonstrate. Me tell you about the Jamaica Labour Party. Nothing about them. And when they ready, they talk about Mark Golding. When the Jamaica Labour Party ready, all one dirty foot one tough face one. When she ready, she stand up and talk about Mark Golding. Huh? Really? Uno not have nothing about uno. Me can't respect the Jamaica Labour Party. No day, no time. Me can't respect uno. Uno not have no shame in our game. Uno don't give a shit. And you see, all these things, my wisdom warriors, is show who they really are. Me tell you now. Everything what the Jamaica Labour Party do, action speak louder than words. Uno not see, action they show we. And you see for them type of actions, my wisdom warriors, it is very distasteful. Favour Williams. Really Favour Williams. My wisdom warriors, hear more. This was the third judicial review of the case in February. Chief Parish Judge Chester Crooks ruled that the accused had a case to answer. Ruel Reid and co expected to learn fate in September after judicial review. Reid, Pinnock and their co-accused were arrested in October 2019 under charges of defrauding the Ministry of Education and the Caribbean Maritime University of millions of dollars. So you see, say it's a group of them. My wisdom warriors, me always tell you, anytime you see the Jamaica Labour Party under ongoing investigation, and I know one person, anywhere you see money a thief, and it's not one person, especially when you see a big sum of money missing, it's not one person. You see right now, the JLP, they're under ongoing investigation. They are all underneath undergoing investigation. They have 8 parliamentarians, yeah, and they have 28 public officials. Them have a link in my wisdom warriors because when I hear them say enriching themselves is taxpayer money them a use and a enrich themselves. Any money where them a get for the Jamaican people, I hate them a use and a enrich themselves. So this enriching themselves now have nothing to do with for them personal money. It is about taxpayers' money, my wisdom warriors. So the officials, they have a link with the parliamentarians. Have a link with them. You understand? And anyway you see big money are go missing, it's a group of people doing it. Not one. Not one. And when I hear about the SSL and them talk about one woman, but the woman, lie. Lie. No one woman now do that. So much money can go missing and nobody else don't know about it. Lie. Lie, my wisdom warriors. Me I tell you that. So you see, when them come out, they only can trick some people. They only can trick some people, my wisdom warriors, but I know everybody they can trick. I know everybody they can trick. So anyway you see, big sum of money are go missing, it's a group of people doing it. You understand? And the Jamaica Labour Party need to dismantle. They all need to go to prison because they're stealing from the Jamaican people and the Jamaican people are suffering. And when I see some Labourite turn up about, oh, me I go vote for JLP, Andrew Holness I do good, sorry. Andrew Holness I do good. Andrew Holness I do this and do that. You get brainwash. You don't have no knowledge. No knowledge. Ruel Reid coming out, going to Jamaica Teachers Association 68 annual conference or whatever they want to call it. And he is there. He don't have no shame. No shame. This man should be behind bars. You understand? But to everybody a friend and a links. That's why we don't see that. You understand? Because a friend thing them deal with my wisdom warriors and link thing. That's why corruption will never stop in a Jamaica. Yeah, it will never, as long as the Jamaica Labour Party in power, it will never stop. It will never stop, my wisdom warriors. And on a Labourite too. Me not even say PNP. On a Labourite, on no sense. Uno hear them talk about death penalty. How can a corrupted government give death penalty? Eh? How can a corrupted government give death penalty? Uno really want Andrew Holness to give death penalty? That's how uno trust Andrew Holness? That's how uno trust the government of Jamaica? Eh? How can a corrupted government give death penalty? No corrupted government not give no death penalty. Me not agree with that, my wisdom warriors. Uno tell me if uno agree with it, because me definitely not agree with it. A government, let me dissect this, my wisdom warriors. If a government no want put the impeachment in the constitution, who do you let that government roll out death penalty? A government no want put the impeachment in the constitution. Uno trust that government. Uno trust that government, my wisdom warriors, for roll out death penalty upon the Jamaican people. May I ask you a question? Andrew Holness and his cronies, afraid, scared, and don't want to put the impeachment in the constitution. Me tell you how them stay. Oh, so the death penalty no fi go for them. Death penalty no fi go for them. You understand? Death penalty no fi go for them, you know, them out of it. Because them no want the impeachment, my wisdom warriors, in the constitution. Because them know what them are do. They know what they are doing is wrong. This is why up to now they not sign the code of conduct, you know. And I want the Jamaican people put 2 and 2 together, you know. This is why all now Andrew Holness and no 9 people them no sign the code of conduct. And from they not sign the code of conduct, they now go put the impeachment in the constitution. Member Marlene Malahu come out and tell with that clearly. So she now put the impeachment in there. If you is not a corrupted government, yeah, according to Uno say Uno is of good governance, yeah, why Uno afraid to put the impeachment in the constitution? Member say PNP up for it. Member say the whole of PNP sign off the code of conduct already, you know. Every single one of them. And them ready. So who me for really talk good about? Me have to talk good about the PNP. Me hear some people talk about Mark Golding is not lie. You have enough bloggers, me tell you no all the while. No, no make no bloggers trick you no. Enough bloggers are undercover Labourite. And me now go, me now talk with water in my mouth. They know themselves, me now have to call them name. They know themselves. Mark Golding is doing a lot. Mark Golding is doing a lot, my wisdom warriors. We see it. We see it and I like so we not see. What the Jamaica Labour Party a do? Tell me what them a do. Because Andrew Holness say ma build up infrastructure. Okay. Infrastructure for who? For who? That's why they always say the rich are going to get richer and the poor are going to get poorer. Andrew Holness a build up infrastructure. Yeah, Andrew Holness say ma spend how much billion in the security forces. But you don't see any changes? The amount of billion and millions that Andrew Holness claims and spend in the security forces. You don't see no changes, my wisdom warriors. All me see are more people are dead. All me see the security forces equip and then kill 106 people from the start of the year. You can go Google it. You can go on Indicom. Indicom not happy about it. You understand me? Indicom not happy about it. Andrew Holness said them have this type of equipment and then can find criminal and then can find this and then can do that and can do that. To me, I don't think they have not a rotted whole thing. Me not think they have nothing. Because if them did have it, they would not kill out innocent people. So me not believe this crap. Me feel it's all a sham, my wisdom warriors. Me feel it's all a sham. Just for intimidate the people. I hope you look into it, you know. You notice most of the killing, 99% of the killing that is happening, a PNP constituency. You notice that? You go back, go check. Go back, go check. And the Labourite supporters, the whole of Labourite them out and talk about how PNP a kill off PNP. When you know say you do it. You dirty Labourite supporters. Will come underneath my comment section every day a chat. Shit. You crayfish brain. You dunce bat. You don't have no knowledge, no understanding, no wisdom. You come under my post. A back a man. We are talking about meat thy maker. A back a man. That man don't even sign the code of conduct. For sure, so that the man don't respect nobody. That man don't respect Jamaican people. He don't sign the code of conduct. So how you fear come under my comment section and come tell me? I don't want you nothing from the Labourite, you know. Because from the government last option, you know, is for declare war, you know. That country fail. That man a step down, if step down, you know. Because he know he can't manage. He know he cannot manage, so if he step down. But me don't know where my whole land for. Remember, he don't tell we say a legacy, you know, in thing there. Not popularity anymore. This is why you see my hang on. This is why you see Andrew Holness hanging on. But I want Mark Golding to win because you, Andrew Holness, I want you to go to prison. Yes, I really want to figure. No, you need figure. You need figure. Because these things, you should never come out. You and Horace Chang should never come out and talk about shoot to kill. Horace Chang say shoot to kill. And you not said nothing. So from you keep quiet, that means say, from you silent, that means that you agree with Horace Chang. And then on top of it, you come out and talk about meet thy maker. Meet thy maker or go in front of the judge. That's why I said the police them come and kill. Look on the youth down at Cherry Lane. Yeah? The youth what did in the video, it wasn't the same youth, you know. Where they killed down at Cherry Lane, you know. It was a different person. But through them kind of similar, look alike. That's why. And Uno say, Uno have system can identify. Uno can't identify shit. A lie Uno tell. Me not believe Uno. Me not believe Uno. My wisdom warriors. Them go down a Cherry Lane. And when the police then go down there, they see the youth. The youth not have no gun. The youth not have no weapon. The youth not run. The youth not run. And what them do? Then kick up you. 10 of them. This is what the people are saying, my wisdom warriors. This is wrong. And then on the out here, I defend Andrew Holness. I don't understand, no. On the out here, I defend Horace Chang. My wisdom warriors, take in this.
Sir, want me a long time, sir. Look here.
But then a problem now, you go with me. Yeah.
It's here that we like. We don't want to go for the meeting.
No, but you have to come for nothing, man.
We don't want this.
Right,
My wisdom warriors, this is done a Cherry Lane. And una go hear in depth what really happened. Take in more.
We scared that we see not that coming that we are running out of eye. We scared that punishment. And with them still
last night they go last night.
So you are going now. What we understand now say if a man now wanted, you know, you're supposed to come carrying the man and then interrogate him.
Yeah.
No, not like that never go on.
No. Not like that.
So the mother carry me.
When they come up on this list where they say a person of interest.
Yeah.
He never say one. And the mother bring him in and they let him go.
So when today Sunday night, everything up on?
Up by, you never said no this one.
music in that place.
My selector?
Yes.
So
My wisdom warriors, when you hear what them say up at the ball field in the day, I'm a selector, the whole of them did up there. At that the woman say, me want to listen good. Okay, hear more.
I broke him on there, but they couldn't kill him.
Yeah?
Beat him, man.
Kick him out of the neck.
Broke him on neck, brother.
He then there.
You call him.
So broke him on neck, that's so. Came go this and came back and broke him on neck. And then shot him. Right, yes, uncle.
yes, so now I think that's how much mile away from where them say church is.
So he shot two lads.
Oh, so you put it on the ground. So the running thing when the man
We man no run.
Going live video. Yeah, mommy not going live video. Not going live video.
No, coming out.
Crime thing in the world. So
I think it's crime thing that they are cold-blooded murderer.
19 people dead there, so a man now he must take himself and run down.
I have been involved in the
man. But when we hear say shoot,
I want this man couldn't walk up on them.
When you shoot him, everybody went for
a road. Yeah.
Go out here.
So I just know people, so we are trying to restore back the name, two things, restore back the youth name or restore back the community name, because they were talking like the community is a violent community.
No, son, it's a community community.
The only thing I get the people, I'm going to get the them people in a farming, I don't get to say no. Yeah.
So when I'm getting name, why they call him Flybrain though? Why they call him?
Yeah, Jamaica, there's some people them kill a bit, some people them born, some people them.
I want to type of youth comedy and love.
We love comedians.
Oh.
Full of vibes. If everyone can't bore him.
And how much now?
23, next month I'm 24.
Yeah.
And in Lickler, I look at
It's second and next month, you must play.
So if you look a short youth like that,
in Lickler,
You can't go no machine.
The man put my carry man.
And
one night to work and carry him back there again and kick him and kick him and
can't go to care
then he shot him. First man was one shot in the ear first. That is how see, when you youth, I was dead now. I dead now. I like my job, so
yeah.
I got arrested by the police. When police said, why a bad man, a police man, you want to hold. I did the man, I did. Alright, see the man, see my guy.
Yeah, man, uncle. Right, that's it, say, yeah.
Show them how
Come show me what going on.
Nah, put the body on no video.
Yeah, man, uncle. I remember coming to say we can play the youth together, uncle. Yeah, man. Yeah. So, yes, the shot hole.
You go and shot this, see them
They fly 3 minutes.
Yeah. Right after them killing. After them done jar and the sister and beating and the sick least, me and go one left back.
You can put it for me, man.
Okay, you all one.
Yeah.
Me and go one left back right here, sir.
Yeah.
And when I come up and I say, we're not killing man, we're carrying him.
Yeah.
One tall one down so with the gun pan him, put it down pan him, so.
Yeah.
And one short one about one vest and one coffee face one.
Yeah.
And 10 of them, you know.
Yeah.
And before them killing, see stone here, when he turn sideways here, so you look on the stone, you see
Yeah, look at
champion
the
stone. When he turn sideways, so kill him shot and come at this way.
Yeah.
And when you see him come out, so they shoot him.
Yeah.
He probably dead before them kill him.
Yeah man, he dead before them killing him. And I have some of my special them and pick up. So
Yeah.
you can find one around 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Me have most of them.
How much shot in get?
Me not know really how much shot, you know, but me know they loaded.
Yeah, but the one that got 3 minute drop through the floor, so.
I can show you 2 more left to do that.
Yeah.
Show you how
That's a 3 shots.
So my wisdom warriors, when I hear everything what go on, when I hear the people them attack my wisdom warriors, the youth now have gun, the youth now run, then drag the youth out of the house, 10 of them did it, and then beat up the youth. Why would they do such a thing, my wisdom warriors? Why? Why would they do such a thing to the youth? Because Andrew Owens tell them for meet thy maker. And when me hear on a Labourite attack, not found a Labourite only attack because of PNP area. But any Ross there, the police they run up in on the blouse and skirt area. The whole town go get frig. But through a PNP area, the Labourite, they must say, yes, yes, yes. But remember me telling you, man. Remember me telling you. One thing say when police ready for turn it on, them go ask, are you a Labourite or are you PNP? My wisdom warriors, what they did was wrong. Then drag the youth out of the house. They should never do that. But through them thirsty for kill. And me blame Horace Chang. And me blame Andrew Wellness. Me blame them. Because them give them the go ahead to kill off the people them. We all need to go out and protest for this. This is wrong. This could have anybody else, anybody picnic house they run up and down, you know. I could have anybody. Because the video that was circulated wasn't the youth. Because I say how they kill a youth and I identify him after. And that me did I say in my wisdom warriors. When me see it come out and then say them I go identify after. Me say how they kill somebody and identify them after. Them say they have this and one bag of sitting for identify and track people. So how they never identify him before, them identify him after. And on the Labourite too because of PNP constituency. When I say yes, me agree with Andrew Holness. I better say if it was a JLP constituency, uno not behave like that. Eh? The youth and the youth do the shooting run a territory lane. The youth did their football match. Then say when they hear shooting happen, the whole of them run together, go home. Jaja. And when you see people in a country, my wisdom warriors, living in fear, people them are living in fear, you know. If uno can't talk on the mind, uno are living in fear. No matter what no Jamaican come out and a chat say, me at half of the press I tell you that all uno live in a rotted world fear. There's no democracy in a Jamaica. There's no democracy. I mean I tell you say this hurt me heart. It really does. The killing what happened down a territory lane, my wisdom warriors. Nobody no come out and protest. You know why? Because the people them say they're afraid of the police them. And the people them say they're afraid because they see what the police them do. And so we no see, we weren't there. And when I see Labourite, you know, happy about this, I'm like, what? Yeah, because the Labourite them happy, my wisdom warriors. Maybe some of them. Yeah, but the ones them will come underneath my comment section. Yeah? They are rejoicing because it is a PNP constituency. And then hear them know my wisdom warriors how a PNP a kill off PNP. Them know so them out a kill off a PNP and then I can't chat. You see, it's enough for no? My wisdom warriors, let me rest my case. I want to storm up the comment section. I want to share that video, you know. Share it to your friends. Share it to your family. Like and share, guys. Like and share. If you're new to the channel, welcome, guys. Remember my PayPal. Remember my PayPal, my people. You know the things that are ready. Alright, I'm going to put my PayPal information in the comment section. Also, if you want to join the WhatsApp group, just text yes to 876-236-9097. Bless up on a nice clean self. One love.